Good morning, Jai Hind everyone. So in previous days, all you are solved so many questions based on linear inequality in one variables. Okay. Now today, just I discuss with you. That means some important result which we based on modulus of function. Understand? Modulus of function with inequality. Like that, if you have a function in such a way that mod of x is greater than a, mod of x is less than a, mod of x is greater or equal to a or less or equal to a, or some time, suppose if you have an equation or inequality like mod of x minus a is lesser or equal to any number, suppose b, or greater or equal to b. So how you solve such type of inequality? Understand? So that part is not in your syllabus, but just I discuss with you for more enhancement, means for more knowledge. Okay. So you see it very carefully, and one by one we have to solve the questions related to that. And after that, all we are solving word problem questions, and that is your last topic. And then all you are again, that means studying about the graphical solution of linear inequalities in one variable. Sorry, already you know about one variable, so how you solve it for two variables? Understand? And if you have the that means two linear equations are given, three or more than three linear equations are given, then how you solve their solution graphically. Understand? So just you see here, some important results are there. And suppose if you have a function like means inequality like that, mod of x is less than a. Suppose a is any real number, and you have the inequality like that, mod of x is less than a. Then how you solve such type of inequality? Understand? So just to you recall one thing I told you about that. So the mod of x can be written as under root of x square. Everyone know this result. Mod of x is equal to under root x square. Understand? And so this can also be written like that, under root x square is less than a. Now if you are squaring both sides, so you have x square is less than a square, or you have x square minus a square is less than 0. X square minus a square is less than 0. And if you factorize it, so you have x plus a into x minus a is less than 0. That quantity is less than 0. Everyone getting this step? And how you solve such type of inequality if the product of two factor is less than 0, you well know. How you solve it? Yes, with the help of number line. So what you do? Suppose here you draw a number line and mark here point minus infinite, and here you write minus infinite. Then what is your rule? First of all, you have to make your first factor equal to 0. So if x plus a is equal to 0, you have x is equal to minus a. So you mark here minus a, and this side here you have a. So you write here in this way. But here you have your inequality is less than, so no doubt that point and this point means a and minus a are not taken, not taken. Now you come to the sign of these regions. Here you have three regions. Okay. So for extreme most region, you see that your value of a means all the points are greater than a. Here you have all the points greater than a. So if you are putting here greater than a, this factor becomes positive. And here if you have the value greater than a, you have positive. So that is your positive region. So no doubt alternatively change its sign, so positive negative, and no doubt here you have positive value. Here you have positive value. Understand? No, just see again, the complete product is less than 0 means negative. So this shows that the value of x lying between minus a to a, lying between minus a to a. Understand? So from this result, here you can say x belongs to minus a to a. X belongs to open interval minus a to a. Understand? So if you are talking about, just see again, yeah. So here you have your result, but here what is given? Here you have mod of x is less than a, then your x belongs to minus a to a. You have the result like that. So in conclusion, you have your result as if mod of x is less than a, so that implies, you write in this way, that implies x is greater than minus a and less than a. You can write in this way, x is greater than a and less than a. So this is the meaning of uh, the inequality when it is in modulus sign, mod of x. Note it. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So you write all that step. In the same way, if you are talking about other inequality, just you write for that means second point, x is less or equal to, if x is less or equal to, understand? So in that case, you have to introduce equal to also to in each of the term, and here, yes, point is taken. So here you have to take close interval. Here you have to take close interval, understand? And x is greater or equal to minus a and less or equal to a. You write it. First you write all that step. In second point, लिख लिया बेटा आप लोग? Yes, write all that for less or equal to also.
Yes.
So you have your result like that. If a mod of x is less or equal to a, so in that case, x is greater or equal to minus a and less or equal to a. You have to write in this way. Okay. Now third point. Mod of x is greater than a. Mod of x is greater than a. So in that case, that can be written under root x square greater than a, or x square greater than a square, or if you factorize it, so you have x plus a into x minus a greater than 0. You have to write in this way, and draw number line. Here you have minus a, this side here you have a, positive, negative, positive. And here you see that their product is greater than 0, means positive, and your positive reason is minus infinite to minus a and a to infinite. So here you have to take the union of that. Okay. So with the help of this number line, you can say x belongs to, or you write here x is equal to minus infinite to minus of a, minus infinite to, sorry, open bracket is there, minus of a union a to infinite, a to infinite, you write in this way. And the same result can also be written as, suppose if you are saying that x belongs to minus infinite to minus a, so what does it mean? Your values of x is less than minus a, values of x is less than minus a, and here you have x is greater than minus a, x is greater than, sorry, a, x is greater than a. So that can be written in this way also. So this implies x is, here you have x is less than minus a, or for this you write x is greater than a, x is less than minus a, or x is greater than a. So finally you have, if mod of x is greater than a, so this implies x is less than minus a, or x is greater than a. Yes, right. This is your result. If you have the result like that, x mod of x is greater than a, then you can write your answer in this way, x is less than minus a, or x is greater than a. Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now you write for equal to, that is your fourth result, x is greater or equal to a. So here you have greater or equal to, this side you have greater or equal to, and here you write close bracket, this side here you have close bracket. So yeah, make it. So in this way, just you correct it. For fourth rule, write in this way. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, noted. So these are the four that is important results for you, and with the single mod of x. But if your result is in this way, just you write that type of result also in fifth point. Suppose if you have a result mod of x minus a is less than any number, suppose here you write b, then what is your result? Suppose here a is any, that means fixed number, a is any fixed number, and here you take mod of x minus a, and b is any positive real number. So in which way you can express your answer? Understand? So mod of x minus a is less than b. So what you have, that complete number can be written as under root x minus a whole square is less than b. You can write in this way. Now squaring both sides, so x minus a whole square minus b square is less than 0. that be less than 0. Understand? Now factorize it. So you have x minus a plus b, and here you have x minus a minus b, that be less than 0. That be less than 0. And yes, your method is same to find out their rule, that is sign negative, and here you have uh, infinite, minus infinite and plus infinite. So from the first factor, if you are taking the value of x, so that is equal to a minus b, and here you have a plus b. So no doubt the value of a minus b is lesser than a plus b. So you mark the point on that is number line in ascending order. Here you have to write a minus b, and suppose that point is taken as a plus b. Okay, in this way you can write. So yes, you already know here you have positive, negative, and this side here you have positive. Okay, so here you see that your value is for less than 0. So you applying the same concept which you that is done in previous questions, previous that is result. So what you have, you can say the value of x is yes, you write in this way, a minus b to a plus b, a minus b to a plus b in open interval. In open interval, because you are interested to find only its negative value. Okay, so you write in this way. So if you are write your complete result, you have, if mod of x minus a is less than by any number, this implies x is greater than a minus b and less than a plus b. Just you correlate the result here, correlate the result. Suppose if you have here x minus a and that quantity is less than b, so here you write for values of x as a minus b, a minus b, and here you add these two number a and b. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
सर
In,
नंबर लाइन के बाद
yes,
सर ये नंबर लाइन के बाद ए प्लस ए माइनस बी और ए प्लस बी के बाद ही चल रहा है ये दो लाइन लास्ट का
this one.
यस सर
Okay. What is the meaning of these? If you write, just you see here, on number line, here you have 2 points, a minus b and a plus b on the number line. Understand? And
यस सर
yes, and this region is negative. This region is negative. Okay, and the value of x lying between these 2 points, lying between these 2 points. Understand? So what is the meaning
यस
of
सर
that? If you are saying that the value of x lying between these 2 points, so you can express that in interval, open interval. Open interval. So if you write here open interval, so what does it mean? Means a minus b point is not taken, a plus b point is not taken, but your value of x lying in between them, lying in between them. That's why here you written in this way. Okay.
ओके सर यस सर
Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. In the same way, just you come to your sixth point, sixth one. Here you introduce yes, equal to, less or equal to. So if you have less or equal to values like that, and here you have less or equal to, so here you have to take close interval, and your value of x are like that. Note it. Understand? Yes, right. Sixth point.
Yes.
Now come to next seventh point. Suppose if you have mod of x minus a greater than b, in that case, use it. Under root x minus a whole square greater than b, or you have x minus a whole square minus b square greater than b, and factorize it. X minus a plus b, here you have x minus a minus b greater than 0. Yes, and you have the same point on number line, minus infinite, infinite. Here you have a minus b, this point is a plus b, positive, negative, positive. But here, the product of these two factor greater than 0. So you no doubt interested for these two results. And for this region, which is leftmost region, in which way you can say that your value of x. So for this region, you can say the value of x is less than a minus b. And for rightmost region you can say the value of x is greater than a plus b, okay. Here you have x is equal to minus infinite to a minus b, union a plus b to infinite, So mod of x minus a greater than b implies x is less than a minus b, or x is greater than a plus b. Just you correlate the result also. If you have any number with modulus sign x minus a greater than b, so in which way your result are there? The value of x is a minus b, lesser than a minus b, and that be greater than a plus b. Okay, note it. In the same way, for 8th point, you have to introduce here, yes, greater or equal to. So here you have close bracket. This side here you have close bracket, and greater or equal to. So write in this. So in this way, here you have two values. But in all the 8 inequality or 8 important results, here you use the value of your mod either greater than 0 or less than 0. But what happens when the single mod is given in such a way that mod of x is greater than a and less than b? Mod of x is greater than a less than b, then in which way you can express your answer, or like that if your result is given, then how you that means express your answer. So all that things to be obtained, means the results are obtained with the help of number line very easily. Okay, note it. Are you noted all that?
Yes, sir. Done.
Now just to think about your 9th important result. If you have mod of x is greater than a and less than b, if mod of x is greater than a and less than b, such type of results or inequalities are given, then how you find the value of x? Understand? So what you do, you have to take it that means individually. So if you write in this way, कि mod of x is less than b. If you writing in this way, mod of x is less than b, then already you have a result in which way your values of x lying. So for that, what you are saying, x is greater than minus b and less than b. Already you have a result. Any doubt? If you have a result like that, mod,
No,
yeah,
sir.
okay. So mod of x is less than b. So you write taking here right side part. So you have x is greater than b and less than, sorry, greater than minus b and less than b. Okay. Now if you're taking its second part, mod of x is greater than a, that is greater than a. Understand? Greater than a, so what you have in that case, you have x is less than minus a, or x is greater than a. You have the result in this way. Now you have to take the union of all that. So in which way you have to take? So first of all, you that means draw a number line. Draw a number line, and this inequality. Suppose if you written here, mod of x is greater than a and less than b. So no doubt this shows that b is greater than a. B is greater than a. You can say from this result. Understand? Now draw a number line. Here you have minus infinite. Here you have infinite. Understand? And plot its point. B is greater than a. So no doubt here you have a, and this side here you have b. This side here you have b. Understand? Now what about negative numbers? So if you are saying that b is greater than a, so minus b is lesser than minus a. So first you plot here minus b, and here you have minus a. Any doubt? ये क्लियर हो गया बेटे सबको?
Yes, sir.
So here you take
Yes, sir.
yeah, here you take 4 points on the number line. Now one by one you have to check its value. In this case, that is first, and suppose that is your second point. So in first point here you see that the value of x lying between minus b to b. So yes, minus b to b, your value of x lying. So in this way, the value of x lying between minus b to b. Understand? Now, for second result, here you see that the value of x is, yes, lesser than minus a. And here you see that the value of x is greater than a. Greater than a. You have your result like that. Understand? Here,
Sir, first there should be minus A, then there should be minus B.
क्या बेटा? This one, x is lesser than minus a, and here you have x is greater than a. Understand? Getting? Check कर लो.
So on the number line,
Yes.
first it has to be minus B, then minus A, then A and B.
Yes, that be given here. Just see here, minus a. Here you have minus b. Then you have a. Then here b. That is correct. Why it is correct?
Okay, sir.
Just listen. Here, due to that inequality, if you have such type of result, mod of x is greater than a and less than b. Here you find that b is greater than a. b is greater than a. है ना? तो अगर b बड़ा है तो माइनस बी क्या होगा, छोटा होगा ना. ओ सॉरी, सॉरी बेटा सॉरी. माइनस बी इज लेसर.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry. Minus b is lesser, so you write in this way. Minus b is lesser, so minus b is there, and here you write minus a. Yes, it be correct. Now,
Yes, sir.
so just you correct it. Yeah, in this way. In this way, here your result. So in second part, here you have x is lesser than minus a, and here you have x is greater than a. And for first result, you see that x lying between minus b to a, minus b to a. Okay, yeah, in this way. In this way, here you have your result. Understand? Now take its common value. Now take its common value. So just you see on number line, that part is your common for both, where I tick minus b to minus a. Minus b to minus a is your common portion, and in the same way here you have a to b is your common portion. A to b is your common portion, so you have to take the union of these two common portion, these two common portion. Understand? So with the help of this number line, you can say that x is equal to minus b to minus a union a to b. A to B. Understand? So that is your solution. That is your solution. Understand? Not it. Now, finally, you have if mod of x is greater than a and less than b, so that implies x is equal to minus b to minus a union a to b. A to b. Yes, right. Everyone getting this step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you are not knowing this result, with the help of number line, you can find the value of x. So that's why I discussed the method. So how you getting your result? Understand? So in the same way, if you that means introducing here equal to sign, yes. So make it. So if you having here equal to sign, na, so you can also find the result likewise. Yeah, do it. So here you have a close interval, and here you taking dot. Here you have dot. Okay, so dots are there, and here you have close interval. So in this way, you have your answer. Yeah, correct it. That is your 10th result. 10th. So you write your 10th result. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, बेटा. चलो तो एक here you that means uh, learn how to that means simplifying for x when the inequality in terms of mod is given. So actually here you have only 3 minutes. So just you write one question based on it. Right. Solve. Yes, right, your question. Solve mod of 3x minus 2, mod of 3x minus 2 less or equal to 1 upon 2. You have to solve this inequality. So here you applying the concept also. Understand? So if you want to applying the concept, so what you do, you can write that as 3x minus 2 whole square less or equal to 1 by 2 and squaring. So 3x minus 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square less or equal to 0. Less or equal to 0. You can write in this way and factorize 3x minus 2 plus 1 by 2, and here you have 3x minus 2 minus 1 upon 2 less or equal to 0. And here 3x, and just to simplifying, so minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2, and this side you have 3x minus 5 by 2 less or equal to 0. Now taking the points on the number line, so minus infinite, infinite, and from this first factor, what is its value? So the